friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we're planning for the week of March 28th through April 3rd in my catch-all happy planner, excuse me. And I think today what my plan was, I was kind of going through my sticker stash and I have leftovers from CoffeePlannerMom's like minimalistic kit, some minimalistic square boxes, and the soft kit. And what I thought kind of could be the joining theme of these is the browns that are in them. We have some kind of taupey florals that are part of both kits and leaves, and kind of that coolness of spring, hopefully getting warmer soon. Please get warmer soon. So yeah, that's kind of my thought for this one. I have a box I can use for meals, which is awesome. Going back to my whole, let's start with the sidebar. I think I might actually use I may use some washi at the bottom, so I'm gonna leave the bottom a little bit more open there. Do I have dinners or anything on here? I didn't think so. I have it this week. We could use this week for a dinner sticker. It's back to school. It's after spring break. I mean, not like fall back to school. So I'll probably put a box for the Spirit Days. On the plus side, this Spirit Week, it's for internet safety, and the days are the same between both buildings. For those of you who don't know, I'm a music teacher, and it's always hard being at two buildings because yeah, you never know who's doing what for Spirit Week. A lot of times they're not the same. I'm very happy that this one is the same. Oh, I could have used that one. Nah, that's okay. We'll be good. We'll be fine. We don't need it. I do like it's the little things. There. And then from there we'll figure out what else is going in the sidebar. Chores list. I've got one of those here. I think we'll put that on Saturday. We'll be back into zone 1. Love zone 1. Nice and easy. Choose this brown folder box. I follow the Fly Lady system of cleaning, or like, I should say, when I am like rocking it out, I follow the Fly Lady system of cleaning. And what's been nice is that, you know, I've, actually it's been, with spring break, kind of a great catch-up time. Let me see what I got down here. This is my washi envelope that I got from Creating & Co. What if we used Blush Baby washi? I feel like we need to bring in blue somehow though, if I'm going to use like the light blues. He might be too pastel-y. I do have gray. The gray might be nice. I have this blue, but I don't know if he really goes with the vibe. And I have the white. I like this one too. All right, we'll leave that out for a moment as I just hold on to the weekend sticker. I'm gonna put that back down for a moment. Maybe let's do gray. We're not going to do like exact washi here. Excuse me. We had a 70-degree weather day last week over spring break, which was amazing. But then it shifted back into like very cold. So my allergies are like all over the place. I like the floating books. The floating books are fun. And let's put the weekend banner with that. like that. We can do that. I don't know if I'll do like, maybe we'll just mirror it over here. Good gravies. There we go. I know it's kind of mixing the metallics, but who says you can't mix metallics? Who says you can't? I never said that. Did you? I didn't think so. And then let's use, this is the hard part because I've got 2 appointments. We should put those down first. And then definitely have some to-dos. So let's grab for the appointments. That there. And then layer it like that. And then Tuesday, I'm not actually in charge of this appointment, but it is important that I know it's happening because we're still down a car. So we keep swapping back and forth. Like, since my parents live with me, that's helped out a lot, but we need to make sure that, you know, all the people who need a car have a car the day they need it. That's important. I think we'll just do kind of this for Tuesday. So those are appointments, checklist. I definitely need to do this. And I think to bring those blues in, we'll do Monday one. Actually, you know what? We should probably put some of this over here. Let's put you up here. And then we'll use the ombre one over here. And it still gives me lots of white space because I think I'm going to need that this week. I don't want to put too many. This will legitimately be a minimalistic kit or minimalistic spread. And I think the soft and the minimalist go really well together. Let's do, where do we want to put less is more? I think that's an important one. Maybe there. We've got weekend, we got it's the little things. Maybe in the middle. Less is more. Anything else? Maybe we add, I have these little, almost like header strips. What if we do these like here? And they were from full boxes that I had cut apart. That's where those came from. There, and we'll put maybe this guy underneath the month. Just to bring those colors in across the page. Yeah, I think we're going to end it here, friends, because, and I know that I'm like, got a big gap there. I might add something there. I don't know. But it's just one of those weeks that I think getting back into the vibe of school, I could use something that is just chill. Not too much. Minimalistic, per se. All right, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more of my videos, hit that subscribe button. If you haven't checked out Coffee Planner Mom, that's where all these stickers come from. The washi's from Creating & Co. But I am a PR girl for Coffee Planner Mom. And if you use my code HOLLY15, you'll get 15% off your order. All right? And of course, this fabulous freebie, if I do say so myself. All right, I'll catch you all in the next one.